Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kim of Glowy by Kim. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and a professional makeup artist as well. So if you're new here, you're welcome. But if you're a returning subscriber, you're a what? Oh, darling. Yes. So today I'll be taking you guys through a no makeup look. More like I woke up like this look. Something that you would feel your skin and nothing heavy, no foundation, just something light to keep you going. So let's head right into it, guys. Okay guys, we are ready. I went ahead to use my wipes to clean my face with my micellar water. Yes, even after I've had my bath, I still clean my face before having my makeup on. Then I went ahead to use my setting spray, then my mismet moisturizer. This moisturizer is actually good. Yeah, like I've used it for a while now, and I told you guys then that I just got it, but it's been like weeks now and I'm really enjoying it. So I went ahead to moisturize my face, and this trick I've not tried it here before. This is more like a highlighter. Yes, so I poured a bit of it and I used my moisturizer to mix it, because in this tutorial I didn't want to just have a lot going on my skin. It's like I said, it's a glowy look, so it's meant to be subtle and glow through the skin. So I used this to mix the both of them together, and I massaged it into my skin, so it's glowing, but it's not just on, like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's not just there, it went into the skin. So if you don't have money to buy your liquid illuminator and all, you could do this and you're good to go. Guys, can you see how my skin is glowing already? We've not even started the makeup, but yes. So I went ahead to use my my orange corrector as well, and I'm using my hand to blend it. It still gives me this other this different feel. It helps it massage thoroughly into the skin. This is more like a skin makeup tutorial. So I went ahead to use Fawn, pro concealer in Fawn, to just put on my dark spots, my hyperpigmentation area. So after that I went ahead to blend it. So guys, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Please, if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, I'm Kim, a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. My studio is located at Sabuyaba. You can follow me on Instagram at Glowy by Kim. Please do well to subscribe and follow my Instagram. Yes, I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. And as you can see, I just put like a drop, or like not like a drop, but a tiny bit of like the concealer, and I'm blending it in again with my fingers. I don't want something much. I just want my skin to feel good, not feel kicked up. That's why I'm not using foundation. And this is more like I woke up like this look. You can't wake up in the morning with a lot of foundation on your skin. So I went ahead to use another concealer. That is my shade, and I used my my hydrating mist as well. Then I'm blending it into my skin with my beauty blender. Yes guys, can you see the makeup is already turning out perfect? And the sponge I'm using is from Nuban Beauty. I've had this for a while, like I've used this brand for a while, not like I have had this particular sponge, and it's actually nice. You could shop on them on their Instagram as well. Guys, I'm loving this makeup. On a normal day I don't like heavy makeup, so this is more like a go-to. So I went ahead to use my Zikel concealer to highlight under my eyes, and I won't be putting much because, like I said, I don't want this makeup to really look heavy. That's the idea. The idea is to make it light and clean. And I went ahead to blend under my eyes. And if you realize in this video, I didn't use any other concealer on my forehead and my chin bar. The remaining concealer on the sponge from blending under my eyes will help me, will go a long way in helping me blend my chin and my forehead. Just something light, guys. If you love this tutorial, please do well to drop a comment in the comment section below and I will respond. Tell me whatever look you want to see and I will bring it to you guys. Go to my Instagram page and tell me what look you would love to see me recreate. Yeah, recreate here, and I will deliver. because I am here for you guys. So I went ahead to still use the sponge to do a reverse contour. Like you saw, I didn't use any other products, just the ones I used to blend under my eyes. And now I'm setting under my eyes with the Merak Cosmetics setting powder. So I'm not really going to bake, but whatever I use now will just be on my be there till I'm ready to blend my whole face, because I'm not going to bake. Yeah, but I'm still going to contour my face like I'm doing now. So I went ahead to use the House of Tara powder to contour my nose and contour my face as well. So guys, yeah, this is not I want to ask a question, but this is not makeup related. So I would love to know if you guys would love to see more vlogs on this channel, or we should just keep it to having our faces slayed. Please do well to drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think. This channel is for you guys, it's not for me. So whatever you guys want to see, I'll bring it to you guys. If you want to see more of my vlogs, there is not much happening in my life, but if you want to see more of my vlogs, I'll bring it to you guys. So I will really appreciate your opinion. Yes, thank you. So I am contouring, and I'm not using much, just a little, to just more like give my face a what's it called, a definition. Yes. So I went ahead to use this brow gel, yes, brow tint, to brush up my hairs. I went ahead to use my good old Davis to just fill it in. I'm not going to be heavy on the brows, because the idea is to have a makeup but no makeup. So I wouldn't want the brows to be heavy, so just fill it in, more like the places I don't have hairs in, just light strokes. And once I'm done, I went ahead to use my concealer. And if you realize as well, I'm not using a light concealer here. Usually I use a light concealer for under my brows, but because I don't want it to be obvious that I concealed my brows, I had to use a concealer that is more like my skin color. Yes, or a bit darker, but something not too much, just to give your brows a bit of definition. And after that, I went ahead to use Zaron Cosmetics gel liner for my waterline. Yes, because I just don't want the waterline to be more like I don't know, but I just wanted to bring life to the waterline. And I went ahead to brush up the gel liner up to my eyelid, more like a smoky thing going on the eyeliner part, because I didn't want to use my mascara, but at the same time I didn't just want much shadow on. Just something really quick that anybody can recreate and anybody can do for work, for anything you want to do. But I would still bring a proper work makeup tutorial to this channel, because if you want to go to work and you want to slay, you'd need more, you get what I mean, guys. So I went ahead to use my Milani to blend up the highlighter setting powder I used on my whole face. And I'm even blending it to my eyes, because everything needs to be blended in. And I went ahead to use the highlighter I used earlier on as the liquid illuminator to apply on the outer corner of my eyes, more like to just wake it up. And after that, I went ahead to use my all-nighter, and we are ready, guys. We are ready. Yes. How do I look, guys? If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, guys. Share this video. Okay, here I'm lining my lips with my Davis pencil, and after that I went ahead to use my Urban Decay. And this is more like a very nude lip pencil. I've had this for a while, and I love this. And I love this lip pencil. I love this lip pencil because it just gives me that natural vibe. Yeah. And after that, I went ahead to use my lip gloss from Classic, and that was it. we're done with this makeup. Finally, we're done. I told you guys it wasn't gonna take much time, so yeah. Hello guys, we're done and we're back. So this is what we are looking like. Yes, this is the final look. This is the no makeup look. Oh, good morning darling, I just woke up. Yeah, I know you get it. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, do well to click on the notification bell to get notified each time I put up a new video. Like, comment and share. Please share this video to everyone you know, everybody. I'm not just saying friends. Let's get this video out there, please guys. This is the month of April and I'm hoping for new subscribers. Yes, thank you so much, you're the reason I'm here. See you guys in my next video. Bye.